Hi, I am Raymond Camden, and today I am here to share with you another BoxLang quick tip. This one, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite topics, working with PDFs. Now, BoxLang supports generating dynamic PDFs via the PDF module, which can be installed pretty quickly via the CLI. Let me show you what that looks like. In order to install the module, I just run install-bx-module space bx-pdf, and that will add it to my system. Once I have that, BoxLang will have three new components: bx document, document item, and document section. Let's look at a few examples of just how easy this is to use. Now on screen right there, you see an example of the bx document tag. I'm giving it a file name and also saying overwrite equals true so I can keep running this sample script and keep creating the PDF. But all I've done on the inside is just specify some basic HTML. When I run this, I get a basic PDF. And again, this will open up in any PDF viewer. It's there, it's nice and simple. A slightly more advanced example, in this case, I'm actually using some HTML that references an image on my local file system. So for that, I'm going to add one more attribute to the bx document tag, and that is local URL equals true. I just tell BoxLang and the module where to look for that resource. In this case, it's a beautiful picture of a cat, and if we open up that, we can see there's my PDF and there's my cat. And it's awesome. And I could absolutely resize that image, make it look a bit better, etc. Let's get this a little bit more complex and actually create a really dynamic set of PDFs. So I have some data here. In this case, it's hard-coded, but you could definitely imagine this being more dynamic, where I have a set of names, titles, salaries, and locations. And what I want to do is generate an employment offer PDF for each of those people. So I added a loop statement where I'm going to loop over that array of data. For each of those people, I'm going to create a PDF based on their name using the built-in Slugify command. And then inside there, you can see it's kind of more of the same. So I do have a bx output tag there to make sure that my variables are replaced with the real data, including name, title, using currency format to make the salary look a bit nicer. I did get a little bit complex and actually use the bx document item tag as well to add a page break. And that lets me put the boring legal stuff that no one's going to read on a second page. I then also have another document item tag where I will specify a footer. In this case, I thought, why not say when the PDF was generated? When I run this, I get 4 PDFs because I have 4 people there. And if we look at one, we could see that there it is. There's the Raymond Camden employment offer. It has my name, it has my title, my salary, also my location. Here is the second page there, and you can see each page will have the footer with the time that it was generated. So that is it. The module does a heck of a lot more in terms of creating PDFs. You have a lot of options you could do to customize the output, and everything was installed in about 2 seconds via the CLI. And let me know if you have any questions.